Hello, my crochet angels. How are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Today, my tutorial is crochet baby shoes. I hope you will like my tutorial and you can make very easily. In this project, I use red hard wool, pink color, and 2 ribbon flower and some beads. I made these shoes for 0 to 3 month babies. This shoes is super cute and so beautiful. So let's get started. I make a slip knot and I am doing 13 chains. So now I do double crochet in the same chain stitch and I make 6 double crochet in this chain stitch. So first 3 chain I count a double crochet because we know 3 chain equal to 1 double crochet. So 6 double crochet is finished. Now I do only double crochet in every chain stitch. So 1 double crochet in every chain stitch until I finished this line. I love crochet and I love to do baby shoes. It's so cute, so beautiful and so much fun. So I'm doing only double crochet in every chain stitch. So now I am doing double crochet in the last chain. So I will do over here is 6 double crochet. So I almost done 6 double crochet. Now I'm doing only double crochet in every chain stitch. I almost finished the first round. When I finish first round, I'll start the second round. So now I make a slip stitch and then I finish first round. You can see first round is finished. Now I started second round. So I do double crochet over here and I increase 1 double crochet in 6 times. So now it's 2 times, more 4 times I'll do 1 double crochet increase. So increase mean 1 double crochet, then double crochet in the same chain stitch, that call increase. So total I am doing 6 times. So 6 times is finished. Now I'm doing only double crochet in every chain stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now full double crochet is finished. Now I do 1 half double crochet. And now single crochet. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet. Now I do increase 1 single crochet in every chain stitch and total 3 times. So 3 times is finished. Now I do only single crochet 4 times. Now I am doing a half double crochet, and now I am doing double crochet in every chain stitch. Now I am doing a slip stitch, and I finished second round. And it's very easy pattern, you can make very easily. I make 2 round. So this is the first part. Now I will start it second part. I started second part from half double crochet. I make 3 chains, and I'm doing double crochet in every chain stitch until half double crochet. So just double crochet is very easy right now. So now I'm doing all the double crochet. No increase, no decrease, nothing else. Just double crochet. I'm almost done in this line. So over here I'm doing 2 line. So when first line finished, I'll start at second line. So I'm almost done, and I'm stop in half double crochet. Now I'm doing a second line. So 3 chain, and 3 chain is equal to 1 double crochet. Now I'm doing again double crochet in every chain stitch. So over here is no increase, no decrease, only double crochet. So I'm just doing double crochet in every chain stitch. And this is the last round, last line. This shoes pattern is very easy. You can make it very easily, but it's super cute and beautiful. So I'm almost done in this line. Now I'm doing a 10 chain for belt. And I make it double crochet in the middle of sole. So I make it just double crochet. So I finished double crochet. Now I am doing again 10 chain. Now I make a slip stitch and I finished. Now I cut the yarn, and now just decoration time. I love this part. I love to decorate my all crochet items. I take 2 ribbon flowers and 1 pearl, and I am decorating by hand stitch. I finished the flower. Now I'm decorate by these beads. So it's very easy. As you can see, I show you everything. And I take purple beads because I use the purple flower. So I want just matching with this. I finish one side. Now I'm started another one. I almost done. I love these beads. So many color over there in this box, and I buy this box from online. It's very easy to find out my color. So many color over there. It's a lot of color. I almost done this decorated. Now I cut the yarn and it's ready. So beautiful. And I just check everything is ready. Everything is correct. So I finish my shoes, and the same way I make another one. Now I have 2 shoes, and so cute, so pretty, and so beautiful shoes. I love these baby shoes. I hope you will like my shoes too. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.